Hello girls, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I don't know if you can see the hair on my head, she's questionable. The last time I did my hair was in this video and it's been an uphill battle. I've been waiting till today to do my hair, and then I was gonna do a different video with y'all that I'm just gonna do some other time because of my time schedule today. I found myself stumbling upon different things at the beauty store last time that I went, and I'm at a different beauty store today, but I'm really interested to see some of the products that they have in there. It really fascinates me just the different things that different beauty supply stores across like various areas carry. I don't know if everybody has a beauty supply store next to them also. I don't know like how niche it is depending on like the ethnicity breakdown, I would say, of your city. We're going to go into the hair store and grab our stuff. If you like videos or you like videos like this, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I post. Be a part of our village, be a part of our family. And if you want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here, as well as in the description below. They just turned on the open sign, so let's get in here. 20 to 30 minutes later, something like that, and I have washed my hair. I use this new deep conditioner. Definitely gonna add it to the list. The product that we are gonna try today is actually from a line that I've been seeing quite often. I just never have really like picked it up because I didn't know. It is going to be the Kaleidoscope brand. I've never tried this, but I got the styler gel, the Miracle Drop styler gel, strong hold conditioning hair gel infused with Miracle Drops, holds and supports strong healthy hair. And then I also got the Miracle Drops leave-in coconut milk and ice water in this, and then this one has coconut milk and aloe vera and the gel. For the gel, is applied to damp or dry hair from roots to ends. Do not rinse. Create desired style. No parabens, no sulfates, no mineral oils, no petroleum, no animal testing. We love that. For the leave-in, shake well, apply to damp or dry hair. Gently comb through from roots to ends. I've already pre-sectioned my hair out this time to make it a little easier for myself. Y'all know I've been into bows, and I'm going to the Mariah the Scientist concert, and it's gonna be really camo themed, and I don't know like necessarily everything I'm gonna wear, but I got this bow. This is gonna be my camo accessory. Anyway, like I showed y'all my hair, it looks incredibly dry, right? After I did that product testing, she definitely was very dry. Any product that usually says it has like honey in it, I feel like my hair just take too well to it. I don't think that's necessarily the fault of the hair product. I think that is just, that's not for my hair. I'm gonna apply the leave-in in first and put it through my hair so I can just go in with the gel. I've told y'all this before, but I personally like to put in a leave-in because I never know how hard a gel cast is gonna be, and I get a little worried, a little antsy. There's already some slight curl definition. I need to get better lighting for in the bathroom when I do these videos so y'all can actually like see the darkness of my hair. That was one of my biggest things about when my hair was just black. I felt like you can never see none of the definition of my hair, no matter how defined it may be. And before I cared about like more so the health of my hair, no pull, but before I cared about the health of my hair, a big thing that I wanted to see was literally like definition, and I feel like I was never seeing that. Stink. Gel is super she's gliding in my hair. Look. Oh wait, y'all, I'm gassed. I'm dumb gassed. I hope this isn't flaky. That was the issue with the last one. That was one of the biggest causes of me dyeing my hair. because I feel like I wasn't feeling like I was getting the most out of my curls for real. And I was like, like I really want to get the most out of them if, you know, if I'm gonna be spending 2 to 3 hours doing my hair. This gel smells like a man, if that makes any sense. Here's what it's looking like. Also, I feel like my hair hasn't just been black in so long, and I feel like it's getting back to that. And I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I feel fine about it because I know what I'm planning to do at the end of the year, but it just feels a little weird because my hair hasn't been like just solid black since 2020, 2021, one of the two. You guys know that I love a good like pump bottle type of situation, but really I love when a gel is smooth enough. I really, really enjoy that, and this gel is doing definitely that. It's adding a lot of slip, it's guiding through really easily. I also think that your in-shower matters a lot when you're doing stuff like this. That definitely helped with the gliding. It's not as much stopping in my hair to manipulate it, but this product is definitely doing like a lot of the heavy lifting when it comes to not only defining, but also like really smoothing out the hair shaft, it feels like. That's something that I would definitely recommend. If you're someone who has tighter curled hair, tighter 4B, 4C, I think that this product actually would be great because of the slip. It's also easily spreadable, it looks like, and it looks like you don't have to use a lot necessarily. You just kind of have to like melt it into your hair. Let me tell you something. Let me speak to y'all as a natural, for real. There's nothing more than I hate, not even like filming taken out, right? Because I do film this content and I want to always bring y'all something that like I think is good so it can be helpful to someone. But the way that I feel inside and how enraged I feel when I try a product out and it just completely flops. I'm like, okay. And I'm not mad it flopped. I'm mad that it takes me so much time to then know that it flopped. But like, I have to do it. I have to do it to know. Hair products are one of those things that like, unless there's an outrageous amount of bad reviews, you really have to risk the biscuit on it because it could work for your hair. Like, one of those perfect examples is, like I was just talking about, the Dew Honey line that I've used. I've tried several of their products from that line, and that formula just doesn't go good with my hair. But like, I've seen so many people, they get the most beautiful, most defined, gorgeous looking twist outs, wash and goes, whatever. And that's just not the case for me. But that doesn't mean that the product wouldn't work. But if I was someone who just only took my reviews based off the internet, I would be real disappointed because it looks good for everyone else. But for me personally, it just doesn't work. And I wouldn't know that unless I tried it, and I tried it and it didn't work. I still spent 3 hours just trying it. Y'all know how that be. Or maybe you don't, but I'm telling you right now, that shit is ass. I'm gonna finish up like I always do. Let me show y'all this section. I don't know if y'all can see it because it's really dark, but I'm gonna finish up this, like the last piece I have, and then I'm gonna go to the top 3, and then I will come back when we are drying and give you guys my full review of the process. definition definitely eats. This product, because of how slippery it is though, it's definitely very wet. I know for sure that I am going to have to dry this. Like, let it dry down or I'm not gonna get the best results. We're about to move into the room where I can plug my blow dryer up and get to this is the final hair. Let me give you a little the back of that. And this is the front. Very defined, as you can see. I just spent like 25-30 minutes drying it, and it's about 90% dry, so I'm just gonna let it air dry the rest of the way. My review, I think that the gel is very defining. It doesn't feel like it's gonna have a crazy strong cold, but I don't know if that's just because it's not a heavy cast on it, but we're gonna see what it looks like. First day hair is what this feels like. It gives very first day curls, what I would get with like the Big Papa, what I would get with the Extreme Bananas gel. Yeah, I'm gonna hope that this lasts, and yeah, but right now I'm giving it a solid like 8 out of 10. It's nothing that I was crazily blown away by, but it is actually kind of beating my expectations that I did have for it, if that makes sense.